Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a ghost effect in DaVinci Resolve using an easy method. First, begin by duplicating your main video clip on the timeline. Simply drag the duplicated clip directly above the original, ensuring they are perfectly aligned. This layering is the foundational step for creating the ghostly illusion, setting up the two elements we will blend together. Next, select your top clip and head over to the Fusion tab. Here, you'll want to add a transform node. This node is crucial for manipulating the position of your ghost. Set an initial keyframe for its position, then move forward a few frames and adjust the position slightly, adding another keyframe. This subtle movement will give your ghost a more ethereal and dynamic presence. Now, let's refine the ghost's appearance. Still in the Fusion tab, add a dissolve node after your transform node. Keyframe the dissolve amount, starting at 0 and gradually increasing it to around 75% over a few frames. This creates a smooth fade-in or fade-out. Experiment with different blend modes in the inspector to achieve a truly transparent and spectral quality. For the final touches, consider adding a soft glow effect to your ghost layer. This can enhance the ethereal quality, making it appear more otherworldly. Adjust the glow intensity and spread to your liking, typically keeping it subtle. Once you are satisfied with the effect, navigate to the Deliver page and render your video. You've successfully created a captivating ghost effect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.